Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Playgroup class, today we are going to learn from book New Countdown Starter 3rd edition. Playgroup class, all of you open this book. Okay students, let's begin today's lesson. Today our topic is more and less. Today we will learn the concept of more and less. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. Our first statement is tick the group of the objects which are more. Playgroup class, count with me how many objects are in the first group. Let us count. 1, 2. These are 2 objects. How many objects are there? These are 2 objects. Let us count how many objects are in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 objects. How many objects are there? These are 8 objects. So playgroup class, do you know which group has more objects? The second group has more objects. Now we will tick the second group like this. Our second statement is tick the group of the objects which are less. Count with me how many objects are in the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 objects. How many objects are there? These are 4 objects. Let us count how many objects are in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 objects. How many objects are there? These are 6 objects. Playgroup class, do you know which group has less objects? The first group has less objects. Now we will tick the first group like this. Okay playgroup class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.